as always, looking hurt in the beginning. So guys, today I'm going to be trying to tint these messy edges because they look mad sexy, and we finna try this out. Y'all, if I hear rain, it raining outside, so I'm sorry if you had thunder too. But guys, you see that? We're gonna try that out today because I'm feeling like that. Yes, the edges are very much given. Nothing right now. But guys, I already sprayed some heat protectant because you know. And I'm not going to be using this small flat iron because the last time I used it, it did not give what it was supposed to give. So I'm gonna try use my big one for today, and it's on 360. It's not going no higher than that. So let's get right into the video. Okay guys, so I always like the one side having the most than the other side. So let's just try with this section. I'm so scared. If I burn myself right, it's over. Are you hearing that? Ah! So we'll try this again because no. Yeah, I'm so scared. Okay, we can just continue. Y'all see the smoke? But it's given. The small pieces, I'm gonna have to do it with the small flat iron because I can't do it with this big thing. Look so far, like, okay, it's there. Check this coat. Yes. So now I'm going to try like add some edge control to it. Try like style it up a bit. It'll keep like this though. So I'm finished. I literally just went in all over again. I don't know, I was just trying make the curl all over again because the curl was already there from since when I flat ironed it. I just had to keep shaping it over and over and over again, and I finally got it. Like, it's cute, like it's giving me what it's supposed to give. So guys, this is the end of this video. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that bell for notifications so you guys can be notified every time I post a new video. So see you guys in the next one.